Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today we're doing Bitcoin. It's pumping, alts are bleeding, of course. I think people are falling into the Bitcoin, so we're gonna check out Bitcoin, what's happening right now with Bitcoin, and see if we're gonna break all-time high, or are people actually right when they say this is the top, like the 2017, and we're gonna go down. So let's get in the charts and see what's happening. So basically what we had over here is some kind of resistance on the triangle. There's some kind of triangle, how do we want to draw it. Now we are broke it over here on the 2nd, 3rd of February, and we are going up. So I think we are bound to have some kind of correction over here. I'm not saying all the way down to the line, it would be nice, but a small correction before we go up. And I'm going to show you where I think the good entrance for the Bitcoin is. I don't think a good entrance is right now because we are reaching some kind of top. So I think some kind of resistance is going to happen here at this is a 40,600 line. Also important to watch for. This is daily close on the all-time high, but what I want to show you, it's on the weekly. On the weekly, let me remove this line over here. This is the weekly close. This over here is the weekly close, and you can see here we are now above the weekly close on the all-time high at what's that, 39,400, no sorry, 38,171. So when people are saying that we have our on the top like 2017, that's not correct, because once you reach the top, you don't get this second top that's higher than previous top, right? So this, to me, it confirms that we are going a lot higher than 40,000, if not maybe 80, 100,000 for next run up. So when is actually a good time to buy? It's good time to get in now. Are we going to get some kind of retracement? So let's watch that. But keep in mind these two lines over here. You can see here, this one is the weekly close, this is daily close. Weekly close at 38,171. We got up to the weekly close, and today we managed to break the weekly close, and we are above it. So as long as we stay after the Sunday or above this line over here, we are really bullish. So let's look at the moving averages, and you can see here this is a 20 moving average and the 50 moving average over here. It got support on the 50 moving average. It's not moving higher up, but and the 20 moving average is getting this curve on the upside. So also very bullish on Bitcoin because of that. But the 20 moving average on the daily doesn't give us actually a good entrance. 20 moving average is only hit again when we get these big corrections, right? If you can see here, all the way here from the start of the bull run, once we got above the 20 moving average, it never hits the 20 moving average. It skips a lot, so it doesn't give you very good entrance for when you should get into the 20 moving average. So on the daily, we're gonna look at the white line, that's 10 moving average, and you can see clearly that it hits it a lot of times. It just keeps the 10 moving average really nicely all the way up. It hits it a lot of times. Even here, when we are hitting this bottom over here, the first thing we did is jump above the 10 moving average and got bounce above the 10 moving average, moving higher up. So what I'm thinking right now is that 10 moving average should be a decent buy. Hitting the 10 moving average either on the week or the close doesn't really matter. 10 moving average is the one to look for, not the 20 moving average on the daily. So that'd be nice. That's why I'm thinking some kind of a retracement might come, because we are hitting these stops over here. We are extended from the 10 moving average, and we should be getting some kind of correction down to the or sideways move. Like it went up and then it went sideways movements until it hit the 10 moving average and then continue up. So I'm expecting either sideways movement or some kind of retracement back to the 10 moving average before we actually move further higher up. I want to show you on the weekly, weekly close. I just showed you the weekly close. The MACD. Let's move the RSI. The MACD started being bullish or just around here when we jumped above the 10 moving average and started going up. So MACD is showing us that we are actually pretty good on our way to getting the all-time high. So when the all-time high is gonna happen, I'm thinking at least next week, because we have to close the weekly candle before we can move higher up. Also check this, we're gonna go down and see what's happening right over here right now, and let's look at that on the 5-minute chart. Is it 5-minute chart? Yeah, now let's go to the 1 hourly chart. and do it like this. So basically this move over here, once we got extended, this was some kind of triangle over here. I think this was actually the triangle. It goes all the way like this, and you can see once the triangle got broken, it pumped really hard. Now it's keeping the 10, and I think it's gonna go all the way down to 20 moving average over here. And this move should be around up to 40,000 to something like that. But you can see here it's gonna go up maybe almost all the way up to the daily. But I don't expect the daily to be broken today. I don't expect this to go to 22, 23, 25,000 in the today or tomorrow. I think it is a start, but there's certainly a way to go before we pull the moving averages towards us and start going further up. But this move, I expect, like I said, I expect this move to come back a little bit down, at least to the 10 moving average. It can of course go a lot further than 10 moving average, because yeah, but good entrance, you do your trades, I'll do my trades as always, but good entrance would be 10 moving average over here. And that'd be nice, that'd be very nice. So anyways, I thought I should make a quick video on the Bitcoin, what's happening right now. I just give you guys an update. We are bullish again, very bullish. You can see here this close over here, the daily close is going above the top over here, and if this closes above the 39, was it 39,100 over here, you get a higher high. That's also very bullish. So there are certainly few resistances on the way up, but all in all, very bullish on this, on Bitcoin right now. So what's gonna happen with alts, man? What's gonna happen? As you can see, all alts are in the red right now, and I feel that's because people are FOMOing into Bitcoin. But that's gonna chill down a bit. I think people are gonna go back to the alts, and traders are gonna do what traders do, right? But overall, Bitcoin is again moving higher up, and you should watch your alts. You should watch what's happening with alts. Thanks for watching. You should subscribe to the channel, man. You should subscribe to the channel if you wanna check out the what's happening with altcoins and Bitcoin. If you like technical analysis, stuff like that. Like the video, share the video. Write down in the comments, go to the other channels, tell them to check out my channel and stuff like that, man. I'm not becoming a PewDiePie without your help, guys. Thanks for watching. See you maybe later today, maybe some altcoins, because I just did it. Maybe Ethereum maybe tonight, maybe. Thanks, bye bye.